If you're between 18 and 30, chances are you've felt it, that quiet anxiety. You're watching people your age building empires from laptops, while you're stuck in a job that drains your soul or scrolling endlessly, overwhelmed by hustle advice. The truth? It's not your fault. You were handed an outdated playbook. Get a degree, get a job, play it safe. But the world has changed, and the internet is your new playground if you know how to use it. So today, I'm giving you something real. The 5 best online business models for beginners in 2025. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. These are real strategies people are using to escape the matrix and live life on their own terms. Let's start with digital products, courses, templates, ebooks. Why? Because it's the most scalable business you can start with almost zero cost. You create once and you sell it forever. Imagine turning your knowledge or hobby into an income stream: cooking, productivity, budgeting, even gaming strategies. Platforms like Gumroad, Podia, and Teachable make it plug and play. The fear? Most people think, who would buy from me? But the reality is, you only need to be a few steps ahead of your audience to serve them. Someone out there needs exactly what you already know. Next up, affiliate marketing. Think of it like being a digital middleman. You recommend products, and when someone buys through your link, you get paid. No inventory, no shipping, no support headaches. Just strategy. You can build a YouTube channel, a newsletter, or even a TikTok account focused on one niche: fitness, tech, beauty, whatever you love. And with AI tools, you can even automate your content. Fear says, there's too much competition. Reality? Most people quit before they see traction. Consistency is your secret weapon. You already have skills. Maybe it's writing, graphic design, video editing, or even organizing info. With freelancing or starting a small agency, you turn those skills into dollars, fast. The key? Specialize. Don't be a jack of all trades. Be the go-to expert for one thing. Start solo, then scale by hiring help. That's how you go from $500 clients to $5,000 retainers. Fear says, I don't know how to get clients. But platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn are filled with people already looking to hire someone like you. Want to sell physical products without touching inventory? Enter dropshipping and print on demand. With platforms like Shopify, Printful, or Gelato, you can sell branded products, t-shirts, mugs, notebooks without ever holding stock. Use tools like TikTok or Instagram Reels to go viral. Combine with AI product descriptions and automated order fulfillment. The risk? Low. The opportunity? Massive. Just one winning product can change your life. But you've got to test fast and learn faster. Whatever model you choose, the secret weapon is this: your personal brand. It compounds. It opens doors. It builds trust. You don't need millions of followers, you need the right 1,000. Document your journey. Share what you're learning. Turn your experience into influence. And over time, that influence becomes income. Conclusion? Choose your model. Choose your future. You don't need to master everything. You just need to choose one model and start. The biggest risk is not failure. It's waiting too long and waking up 5 years from now in the exact same place. So, which business model speaks to you?
Comment below?
Let's start building your freedom lifestyle today.